test for association using the method of gamma. So all the stuff I'm going to tell you about today was taken from PowerPoint that was read in Western Ontario at their university. So what is a gamma test for association? It's an ordinal test, so anything that's in an ordered group, such as 0, 5, and then 5 or 6 to 10, or groups like that, where there's an order and it's a categorical variable. It uses it to tell us how strong and the direction the association is, so whether it's positive, negative, if it's a strong or not very strong correlation. So this is the straight up formula that you can use to calculate it by hand, which is just ns minus nd divided by ns plus nd. So as we all can kind of figure out from simple mathematics, if NS's are higher than the ND's, it's going to be positive. If the ND's are higher than the NS, it's going to be negative. But that's just by simple math. What is NS and ND? I'll explain that later, but it's like where the values will fall on your table of values, so we'll look at that in an example. So what ranks a good or bad gamma value? So here's like a little chart you can kind of look at. You can see that once it hits like 0, it's just a reflection across the table, whether it's negative or positive. What kind of questions can our test answer for us? We can answer, is there an association? How strong is the association? What's the direction of the association? And we can make a conclusion based upon that. If we wanted to see the significance of our association, we could do a z-test or a t-test using R. What is it as a general test? It's a proportional reduction in error measure, so it tells us how well our y is predicting our x's and how we can take those into account. Let's just look at an example to kind of break it down. So I did job security based on their job satisfaction levels. First, you need to do your NS, which is just those the low, and then the high, multiply times each other, so that's 50. ND, same thing, just those opposite two, which is the 17 and 12, multiply times each other, and that's 204. So that gives you your ND and NS, and then you just do the math of what goes into that equation, and we get negative 0.61, so let's think about what that means. So we can answer our 3 questions with that answer. So yes, there's evidence of an association based on those values on that table. There's a strong association, also based on those values. It's also in the negative direction. So what does this kind of say about our table? That job security increases as job satisfaction decreases, so there's an indirect, So also this can be done in R using GK gamma. It takes in a 2x2 frequency table, and you can choose your level of significance you want to also spit out, but it only takes in 2x2 tables, which kind of sucks.